With the base parameters set for your campaign, it's time to move to creating the campaign funnel. Start by choosing a destination option. There are 3 available destination options to choose from: flow, path, or URL. A flow is an advanced campaign funnel template. You can apply it across multiple campaigns at once. The path destination option can be used to configure a campaign funnel specific to a single campaign. Lastly, you can use the URL option when you have a single destination URL to drive the traffic to. In this example, we're using the path option for the campaign's destination. You can either load paths from a flow template or add paths from scratch. Once you've selected a path, you'll see a new default redirect mode option appear. The available redirect modes determine how your referrer data is passed through your campaign for each visitor. 302 mode is a standard redirect and will relay the original referrer data. Meta refresh and double meta refresh will send the campaign visitor to an interim domain before redirecting them to your campaign's offer. In turn, the referrer data from this domain will be passed through, and not the original source. Default redirect mode will be applied by default to all paths in the campaign, but you can make changes in each single path in the campaign funnel. Now it's time to set up our campaign paths. Let's start with the default path. Since at least one default path is required to save the campaign, start with naming your path and adjusting the redirect mode if needed. Next, choose if your path will be direct linking straight from the ad to offer, or will include an interim landing page. By default, paths are set to include options for both landers and offers. However, if you're only sending traffic directly to an offer, check the direct linking box for your path. The lander selection will then be hidden. To choose an existing lander, select it from the available drop-down list. To create a new one, click on Create New Lander. This will open a lander configuration window. You can add more landers per path and perform A/B testing in your campaign. The same applies to adding offers. Remember about the limit, which is 20 landers and 20 offers per path. To add more landers to your path, click Add Lander, and follow a similar process to before. Now, to add an offer directly to this campaign's primary path, click on Select Offer. Adding new offers within the campaign configuration window works the same as adding new landers. In each element in the path, you can adjust weights for the traffic. At a later point, when you have sufficient data for optimization, you can alter a path's weight to redistribute traffic at the ratio you want. If you want to remove landers or offers rows, you can do so by clicking the bin icon. To add more default paths within your campaign, simply click Add Default Path and proceed with the same process. Once set, you can save the campaign. Your newly added entity will be listed in the Campaigns tab. Thank you for watching.